again with another unboxing, man. Hey, it's Luke Kang, man, from Luke Kang's Kicks, man. Yo, I come with it every time, man. Every time, man. Yo, but before we get into this unboxing, man, if y'all could do me one favor, all right? Hit that button for your boy, all right? And turn my bell on, man, so y'all know when I'm dropping, all right? Because I'm always coming with it. I'm always coming with it. I'm not gonna stop. I'm not going nowhere, all right? No giving up over here, man. It's still slots left in the giveaway, all right? I do this because I want to. I do this because I love this. So all y'all got to do to enter in the giveaway for the free Supreme shirt is just subscribe to the channel and then just follow me on IG. That's it. It's a video about it too. I'm going to link it in the description, all right? So look, man, let's get these things open, all right? Let's start talking about it. I got these from Dick's Sporting Goods. And Dick's Sporting Goods, I don't know, man, out of desperation because I couldn't get them from nowhere else. But the amount of time that I took to get them, though, man, it's crazy. Everything came in all at one time, though, so I'm going to just keep dropping. We're going to just roll them out. We're going to do it like that, all right? Big knife out today. Let's get them open. All right, let's do it. Bam. Get these things open, man. See what they talking about. All right, what we got? Good. Straight from Dick's Sporting Goods. Here we go. Woo! Finally. Retro 3 denims. Alright. Get these things out the box, man. See what they do. Damn, here we go. If you ain't seen the box, y'all definitely looking at it right now. You know I love boxes. I'm a box dude because I'm just a collector like that. Y'all got it right there? I'm holding it still. We can see that. Boom. All right. Let's get them open now. Ooh, paper. Elephant print on the paper. You know how it is with the threes. This is how it goes. This is how it goes. Ooh, okay. A lot better in person, man. A lot better in person. Look at that clear heel tab on that. See? This is the thing about threes that I like. I love threes, for one. So, if it's a three, it's dope if it's like this. And they got a Nike check on the back of it. You know what I'm saying? It rocked the hardest like that. So, you know, we got our elephant print on there. I think the thing that was throwing me off on these was this white right here. You know? I kind of like wish that they would have left that black. That's the only thing that kind of throws me off about these. I would say other than that, I mean, a very nice shoe, bro. Whoa, hold on. Is that a crease? Is that a crease right there? Let me get this other one out and see. There's no way that there's a crease right there. It kind of looked like, I don't know. These should be nookie, but I mean, do one of those look like they got a crease on it though? Y'all let me know down there in the comments, man, if I'm tripping or not. It looked like I got a little bit of a crease on them, but you know, past that, Air Jordan 3, first Jordan with an air bubble, was the third Jordan, okay? It's the first time they used the air technology on the shoe. All in all, though, beautiful shoe. Beautiful shoe. Like I said, I love threes. I do. I just love threes. The bottom is all clear. You know, we got our denim elephant print here, denim elephant print here, and denim elephant print on the back, okay? Perforated red leather heel right here. Very nice. Very, very nice, okay? On the box right here, you know, quality, we got our quality sticker in there, you know, so we good, we in there. But just as far as the shoe goes, I'm kind of tripping because I think that's a crease, man. I don't know, I don't understand how that could be possible. Like, I don't know how they do their shoes, whatever. Insole's clean though, you know. All good, man. These took forever to get here. I don't know. I don't know what happened. So, yeah, hard shoe though. All right, I had to get this out to y'all. I had to get this out to y'all and get y'all a look on them and let y'all know. I mean, you know, my 3 collection is I'm stacking my 3s. Never getting rid of none of my 3s. Still got them blue ones early. All right, it's a university blue, so y'all go check out that video as well. And like I said, man, I appreciate all of y'all. I appreciate all my people, all my subscribers, man. Thank y'all. Thank y'all for rocking with me every time, all the time, okay? I really, really, really appreciate y'all. So, like I said, again, still slots left in the giveaway, all right? Hit that button for your boy, all right? Until next time, man, I'm out.